Hey y'all, it's Lisa from Hobby Time. It's been a week, so let's get into some fun stuff. Lots of new things out from CVP, some little things, cute things, and new stuff from Five Below. It seems to be all the new craze. Ready and excited to get into that, so let's get to it. Hey guys, okay, so lots of blind bags, and then these are the new things called Pudgy Penguins. I don't know if you've seen an ad from it from Five Below. Some stores, like probably where you're at, maybe not even have Five Belows, but anyway, it's a new store, and they're called Pudgy Penguins. They're little action figures, or not action figures, little vinyl figures, and they seem really cute on the box. There's 12 to collect, and they're also doing backpack buddies, which I told you before seem to be all the craze. They're doing backpack buddies for everything, especially since back to school is starting here in the States. But they're like little igloos. And we're going to open them up and see what they're all about. They look cute, and if they're all the craze and starting to be a thing, we'll see what they're about. Pudgy penguins. And who doesn't like fat little cute little pudgy penguins paddling around? And then these are also new from CVP. Last time I opened up was the cows, which as soon as they stock the next little wave of them, I'm getting some. They're so cute. They're so cute. These are called Dogs versus Squirrels, Pups and Squeaks. So they've already released these like a while ago. Remember the Dogs versus Squirrels? These are like the big versions, the regular versions. Just like they have Cats versus Pickles. I just wanted to grab one. These, I got one so you can see what the normal sizes are compared to the Pups versus Squeaks, because I think these are going to be adorable. I wanted to see what they would be like. So let's open the penguins, because I only have 4 of them. So let's get into these things. These little containers are cute too, so I guess when you have your little figure, you have their little house too. So let's see what these guys are all about. My dog just ate, so hopefully she's not going to be noisy in this video. She's noisy in all my videos. But we love doggos. There's no way, it doesn't say how to open. Maybe you're not supposed to open it. It's just a hard bottom. So maybe you're supposed to open the top? It doesn't tell you how to open them. So y'all are learning right alongside with me. Oh well. I did get, oh, you guys can barely see it. I found this little green guy here. He's a backpack buddy, but he's super cute. And I love my sus. Oh, I knocked one down, but look, I found him. He's cute. He wasn't a mystery bag or anything, so otherwise I would have undone a bunch of them, but I only found one, and he's super cute. And I had to have him on my wall. I had to have him. He's cute. See, this guy's a backpack buddy. Alright, he kamikazed probably because he was sus. I'll have to put him up later. Don't worry about it. He'll be fine. He fell way, way, way down. Just add stuff to the video that doesn't need to be added. But it's okay. I want to open this up. A lot of stickers. Watch, I'm making this way more difficult than it needs to be. I probably am. Did it just pop off? I feel like that needs to come off. And if you guys have these and are laughing at me, I hope you're enjoying yourself. Let's just pop off. Oh. It does just pop. I'm all fighting with the bottom of it when it's just like a pop lid. What in the world? Okay. All that for nothing. Look at this. So we have this guy. He's pretty cute. He's like a maroon. He's a hard plastic, vinyl, whatever you want to call him. He's kind of like this. He's really cute. I like his little bow tie. Little, like Professor Penguin. Oh, and he stands up. That's nice. Comes with a QR code. Says Forever Friend Adoption Certificate. Thank you for adopting the Pudgy as your forever friend. If you want to try to scan that, pause it for a sec. Do your best. That goes with this guy. His little igloo. I'm going to put over here. It says, join the huddle. I'll let you look at this. I'll read the back. You are now a proud owner of a very special Pudgy Penguin who will stay by your side through the thick and thin. Thank you for adopting this Pudgy as your forever friend. It says, join the huddle. See, I just read you that. And there's no names. It doesn't seem to have any rares. We just got that guy. We just got this guy down here. So, let's see who else we get. Now that I know how to open him, I'm just going to rip the sticker off like that. See? Okay. And I don't know if each one has its own thing or not. I'll have to scan these later and see. We got this Olympic guy, sword fighting guy, Olympic sword fighter. He's cute. These are cute. My friend was like, she saw the commercial for him and she's like, you have to get these. They're super cute. So I got some. All right, now Professor doesn't want to stand up. Okay, there we go. And there's 12 of them. Hopefully, oh, this one's cute. I'm just giving you all the things just in case you want them. Oh, her headphones or his headphones. Just because it's pink doesn't mean it's a boy. Look at that. These are super cute, really tiny. These are very, I like them. They kind of tilt on their hiney, like, I don't know if you can tell, but they lean back a little bit, like they're on their feet, and then they go boop, and they lean back to stand up. They use their tail. Get off me. Join the huddle. And it's cute because you're like adopting them. Well, they're not homeless penguins, but. Alright, we've got every single. This one's really cute. All these are different, so that's good too. Here's this guy. I have a feeling these are all the same, but like the same QR code. He's got a little friend of his own. He's got his own Pudgy Penguin. Cute. This little jacket. I knocked him over. Maybe these two are related because they're like slightly. Can you tell the color of their penguinness? Is slightly, only variations of the same like color. Maybe they're related, like brothers or something. These are really cute. Oh, I wish they had names. I really do, because that'd be even cuter. Because then you like adopt a whatever one. I kind of wish. Huh? There's one with an egg on its head. That's funny. Look, there's one with an egg on its head. But there's one right here that I wanted. And I didn't know I wanted it until I saw this list. So we got one out of that set. 2 out of that set. And the earmuff one out of that set. So that's cute. Okay, so that's the Pudgy Penguins. Comment below if you like them, if you want me to get more of them, or if you have them, or if you've seen the backpack buddies, which are like plushies. I didn't see those this time at my store, so I'll have to go get them. So I'm gonna open this guy, which it can be either a cat or a pickle. There's more cats than there are pickles. If you've watched my previous videos, you know I love the pickles. So let's see who we get. I just saw these, so I thought I'd grab one because I haven't grabbed one in a long time. They have a list. This is the Gold Wave, so this is from before. It's not their newest stuff. Okay, so we have this one. It's a kitty. See her? She's very cute. Her name is camouflage. I'm invisible. She's very cute. She's actually right here on the list here. Right up front. Put it back in the bag. I'll put it right there. Now I'm going to open the big dogs. I don't have very many of these. This is also not their newest set, but it is. They have these still out, available for people to get. Let's see if we get a dog or a squirrel. Oh, we get a big puffy dog. A big puffy dog with, how appropriate, a backpack, because, you know, back to school. It's very soft, big fluffy ears. Let's stand up its hair here. Ears are so soft, and it's got a big fluffy tail. Look how cute this one is. Alright, so its tag tells me what it is. It's a Barrendoodle. His name is Ben. Number 037. Ben, going on 4 year of a gap year, enjoys sticking his head out the car window to flap his cheeks in the wind. Spells cool as K-E-W-L. He's cool. He's cute. But see how big he is, okay? And then, these guys have their list. When it's dogs and squirrels, they have more dogs than squirrels. Ben must, oh, Ben's on this side. Dogs and squirrels, the dogs are really cute. I really enjoy them. So now, these are their new ones out. They just put out. So, I don't have any of these guys. Let's see what we have as far as, oh, and these come with, includes one baby and one sticker sheet. So remember the kittens versus gherkins I've done, they come with a sticker. So I'm not going to pull the sticker out because that'll ruin the surprise. Oh, okay, so everybody loved the big version of this guy. This is Little Nigel. I love to pretend to fly. So he's like a little superhero, right? The big Nigel, I don't have big Nigel, but see how he's like, he's a baby. He's a puppy. See how there's a big puppy. There's a big baby puppy. Okay. So, and his sticker is adorable. Looks like this. That's a sticker you get with them. And they do have, I'm going to have to open it up to get the list, so I can see who we're getting here. But I'm gonna leave a sticker in here to make it be okay. Their list seems not that large, which is smart because last time they have like too many out there to get, and you get overwhelmed. So this is a very, very tiny list. See, not many. So we got Nigel. This kind of looks like my doggo. Alright. Let's see who else we get. Oh, Stevie's in a pineapple. That's cute. We have... oh, Little Hazelnut. And Little Hazelnut, I love to howl because she is a husky. Look at this big fluffy tail. And again, for size reference, like this bean is normal bean size, and it's like a little smaller. They're smaller size. But it's cute. Look how cute. Little heart. Little stitching. Fuzzy tail. Ear. The ears are so big. So cute. So cute. There's Nigel. Hazelnut. And oh, look at that sticker. Look at that sticker. That's so cute. Alright. Let's open another one. I love seeing the stickers. I'm so glad they did the stickers again. Alright. Oh, well, it just came out the tag. Little Odie. He's so cute. I believe he's a pug. I love to chase my tail. Well, he doesn't have much of a tail to chase, so he's going to be really... Look at this little tail. Look. Compared to this guy's tail, poof, big tail. Anyway, look. His tag's in the way. Look at his little ears. His tail. He's got a sucker and a bib. See how cute he is? Look at him. His diapers. He's so adorable. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, but I think he's supposed to be a pug. I believe. I don't have like the big versions of these dogs, so I wish I did so I could compare them. Show like, oh look, this is the baby, this is the big one. Stickers stuck in the bag. His sticker's a little derpy. Derp. But it's cute. I mean, even the derby stuff's cute. So, I have 3 more. 3 more. And then you guys can let me know if you have a favorite of the ones I've opened. Okay, who'd we get this time? Little Chachi. I'm guessing she's a Chihuahua. She looks like a Chihuahua to me. I love to wear pink. Little Chachi. You know, it would be nice if they would tell you what breed they were instead of you just having to guess. And one ear is pointy and the other one's kind of rounded. So sometimes when they have like misprints or things that are a little off on these things, they call them weirdlings. So I don't know if this would count as a weirdling since one ear is rounded and this one's like pointy. And some people specifically go out and look and collect the weirdlings. Like they had one in the cows that had like no eyes and no arms. It was so cute. So look at the little tail. It's just like straight down. So I'm thinking this is a Chihuahua. There's our sticker. Sure almost looks like a kangaroo in that picture, huh? It's cute though. It's all up to preferences as what kind of collector you are. If you want only perfect ones, if you only collect food-oriented ones. Oh no, we got a dupe, guys! But it's still a cute one. But we got a dupe. And we got a squirrel. Okay. So we got this squirrel. So out of all of it, we only got 1 squirrel, and there's only 2 squirrels to be gotten. So I'm glad at least we got 1. This is his sticker. It's a cute sticker. Really cute sticker. This one is Little Chewy. I like the small squirrels. Like when we had a big squirrel, I didn't like them at bigger squirrels. The little squirrels are actually kind of cute. Okay, so this one says, Little Chewy, I love to collect shiny things. Well, of course. What squirrel doesn't? He's pretty cute, though. And, I mean, compared to little puppies, they're about the same size. A little bit tinier, but not by much. But squirrels are smaller than dogs. I mean, maybe not to a Chihuahua. But, yeah, they're all here. What do you guys think? Okay, well. And then like little squirrel to this dog. That makes sense, right? Then we have all the penguins. You guys let me know what you think. Did you like the penguins? Those are cute. You almost need, these would be like really cute if you had like a dollhouse. I could just see like a little girl or boy playing with these in like a setup kind of situation like that, like when I was a kid. But kids don't play outside in dollhouses and stuff like that anymore. But they could. They should. Get creative. Imaginative. Yeah, that's all I got for today. So what do you guys think? Alright, subscribe, share with your friends. Let them know that I open all sorts of cool stuff. I can open more things as long as you suggest them and let me know, and I'll go hunt them down. Alright. Bye. See you guys later.